Many people over 50 know the frustration of lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, or waking up too often and struggling to fall back asleep. Rest becomes lighter with age, yet deep, restorative sleep is essential for energy, memory, and overall health. Some doctors explain that the body's natural production of sleep-regulating hormones slows down, leaving many seniors restless. But there is encouraging news. A simple 2-ingredient drink, taken before bed, has been shown to help calm the body, support muscle repair, and promote the kind of deeper sleep that feels refreshing and life-giving. If you find these kinds of natural and practical tips helpful, make sure to subscribe and join this channel, where each week you'll discover simple ways to sleep better, feel stronger, and protect your health. Don't forget to like this video and share your own thoughts in the comments below. Your input helps shape future videos. Let's start with why seniors struggle with sleep and muscle repair. As the body ages, sleep often becomes lighter and more fragmented. Many seniors find themselves tossing, turning, and waking up multiple times through the night, only to rise in the morning feeling tired instead of refreshed. One key reason is the natural decline of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep cycles. Lower melatonin makes it harder to fall asleep quickly and stay asleep long enough to reach the deep, restorative stages that truly recharge the body. Alongside this, production of growth hormone also declines with age. Growth hormone is essential for repairing tissues and supporting muscle recovery, especially after even mild activity. Without enough of it, the body struggles to repair overnight, leaving muscles stiffer, weaker, and more prone to soreness. This combination of disrupted sleep and slower repair creates a cycle where fatigue and discomfort feed into one another. Some doctors point out that this change isn't just about feeling less rested. Poor quality sleep also impacts memory, mood, and heart health. For many people over 50, the frustration is not simply about getting to sleep, but about staying asleep long enough for the body to heal itself. This is why finding natural, gentle ways to support deeper rest and nighttime muscle repair becomes so important. Even small changes at bedtime can help restore the body's ability to recover and wake up with greater energy. A simple drink, designed to aid both sleep and muscle repair, can play a surprisingly powerful role in this process. What is the hidden link between nighttime nutrition and deep sleep? At night, the body processes nutrition in a very different way than it does during the day. Instead of using nutrients for energy and activity, the focus shifts toward repair, restoration, and recovery. Proteins are broken down into amino acids that help rebuild muscle fibers. Minerals such as magnesium calm the nervous system, and certain natural compounds signal the brain to prepare for sleep. This is why evening nutrition plays a much larger role in sleep quality than many people realize. Research shows that eating heavy, high-sugar, or processed foods late in the evening can interfere with melatonin release, disrupt circadian rhythms, and cause restless, shallow sleep. On the other hand, studies suggest that choosing the right nighttime nutrients supports deeper stages of sleep, where growth hormone is released and the body performs critical muscle and tissue repair. Some experts explain that even small amounts of the wrong foods at night, like refined carbs or caffeine, can delay sleep onset and reduce time spent in restorative sleep cycles. This hidden link between nutrition and sleep is often overlooked, but it makes the difference between waking up refreshed and waking up groggy. The good news is that carefully chosen ingredients can work with the body's nighttime biology to support both calm, rest, and physical recovery. A simple 2-ingredient drink, taken before bed, can align with the body's natural repair systems, making it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up with stronger, more energized muscles. Ingredient number 1. Warm milk. Warm milk is one of the most time-tested natural aids for better sleep, and science explains why it is especially helpful for seniors. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that the brain uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, two key hormones that regulate sleep cycles. When taken in the evening, this gentle boost supports the body's natural transition into restful sleep, making it easier to drift off without tossing and turning. Beyond hormones, milk is also rich in calcium, which plays a critical role in the brain's ability to use tryptophan effectively, further enhancing its sleep-promoting effects. Many seniors notice fewer nighttime awakenings when milk becomes part of their bedtime routine. The benefits do not stop with sleep. Milk provides casein protein, a slow-digesting form of protein that releases amino acids steadily throughout the night. This slow release is particularly valuable after the age of 50, when muscle recovery slows due to reduced growth hormone and protein synthesis. Having casein available overnight supports the repair of muscle fibers, reduces soreness, and helps maintain strength over time. The preparation of warm milk also matters. It should be gently heated, not boiled, to preserve its natural nutrients. Drinking it about 30 minutes before bedtime gives the body enough time to process the calming compounds without causing heaviness in the stomach. Some people worry that milk at night might cause weight gain or digestive discomfort. In reality, studies suggest that a modest, warm serving is unlikely to add unwanted weight, especially when it replaces heavier snacks or desserts. As for digestion, most seniors tolerate warm milk better than cold milk, since heat can make it gentler on the stomach. With proper preparation, warm milk becomes a safe, soothing, and highly effective tool for deeper sleep and overnight muscle repair. Ingredient number 2, honey. Raw natural honey offers unique nighttime benefits that go far beyond what ordinary table sugar can provide. Unlike refined sugar, which is stripped of nutrients and can cause sharp blood sugar spikes, raw honey contains natural enzymes, trace minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds not only give honey its soothing qualities, but also help the body process it more gently, making it an ideal partner for sleep support. One of honey's most powerful effects is on the brain's ability to release melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep cycles. When consumed in small amounts before bed, the glucose in honey gently raises insulin levels, which in turn signals the brain to release tryptophan. Many seniors experience wake-ups between 2 and 3 in the morning due to dips in blood sugar, and honey provides a slow, steady release of glucose that stabilizes levels overnight, reducing the chance of those frustrating interruptions. Honey also supports muscle and joint comfort. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can soothe stiffness, making it easier to relax into sleep without discomfort. Research has even suggested that the polyphenols in honey have antioxidant effects that protect cells and reduce oxidative stress, both of which become increasingly important with age. The key, however, is moderation. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into warm milk or taken alone before bedtime is enough to create the desired effect. More than that may add unnecessary sugar without extra benefits. Darker varieties of honey, such as buckwheat or wildflower, are often richer in antioxidants and can be especially valuable for seniors. By choosing raw high-quality honey and using it in the right amount, it becomes a gentle, natural way to improve sleep and support overnight recovery. What's the science behind combining milk and honey? When warm milk and honey are combined, the effect on sleep and recovery becomes stronger than when either is used alone. Researchers studying natural sleep aids often point to the way nutrients interact with each other, and this pairing is a clear example. Milk provides tryptophan, an amino acid that is the starting material for serotonin, while honey provides the gentle glucose signal that allows the brain to actually move tryptophan across the blood-brain barrier. This means the two ingredients together act as a natural trigger for the serotonin to melatonin pathway, which is the body's built-in switch for restful sleep. The benefits extend beyond the brain. Slow digesting casein protein in milk releases amino acids throughout the night, supplying muscles with steady building blocks for repair. Normally, this process can be limited if blood sugar dips too low during the early morning hours, but honey helps prevent that crash by offering a stable source of glucose. With amino acids steadily available from milk and energy support from honey, the muscles can repair and recover more efficiently, even during sleep. Some studies suggest this combination reduces nighttime awakenings, while supporting morning alertness, a sign of more complete sleep cycles. The science also shows that this pairing works in harmony with natural aging changes. After 50, levels of melatonin and growth hormone decline, which can lead to lighter sleep and slower recovery. By gently stimulating melatonin production and supporting muscle protein repair, milk with honey provides a natural way to counter some of those changes without relying on medication. The effect is subtle, not sedating, but it encourages the body's own systems to function more effectively. For seniors seeking a safe, evidence-based approach to better sleep and stronger overnight repair, this simple combination offers a proven and time-tested solution. So what's the right way to drink it before bed? The timing of drinking warm milk with honey makes a significant difference in how well it supports sleep and recovery. Experts recommend having it about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, giving the body enough time to absorb the nutrients and trigger the release of calming neurotransmitters. Drinking it too close to lying down may cause discomfort, especially for seniors who deal with slower digestion or reflux, while taking it too early may lessen its effect on melatonin release during the night. Portion size is another important factor. For most older adults, a small cup around 150 to 200 milliliters of warm milk, with no more than 1 teaspoon of raw honeys, enough to deliver the benefits without adding unnecessary calories or sugar. Larger amounts of milk can feel heavy in the stomach and may even disrupt sleep, while too much honey can cause a quick rise in blood sugar instead of the gentle stability that supports uninterrupted rest. Keeping the serving light ensures the body focuses on relaxation rather than digestion. Small details also play a vital role in maximizing results. The milk should be warmed to a gentle temperature, not boiling, to preserve its natural proteins and make it soothing rather than scalding. Honey should be added after heating, since high heat can destroy some of its natural enzymes and beneficial compounds. Stirring slowly until it dissolves ensures an even mix. Drinking it calmly, in a quiet environment without distractions, further signals the brain that the body is preparing for sleep. By respecting these details, proper timing, modest portions, and careful preparation, seniors can turn a simple cup of milk and honey into an effective nightly tool for deeper rest, steadier energy, and stronger overnight muscle repair. One of the most common mistakes when preparing milk with honey for better sleep is using processed honey instead of raw. Processed honey, especially the kind found in squeezable bottles at supermarkets, is often heated and filtered in a way that removes many of its natural enzymes and beneficial compounds. Raw honey, on the other hand, retains these active nutrients, which play a role in signaling the brain for melatonin release and supporting stable blood sugar through the night. Choosing the right type of honey makes a measurable difference in how effective this nightly drink becomes. Common mistakes to avoid. Another mistake is drinking too much milk at once. While milk is rich in tryptophan, melatonin, and slow-digesting proteins, having a large glass can place unnecessary strain on digestion, especially in seniors who may process lactose more slowly. This can lead to bloating, heaviness, or even reflux, all of which disturb rest instead of encouraging it. A modest portion is not only enough but actually more effective for comfort and sleep quality. Adding extra ingredients is another error that reduces the benefits. Some people stir in sugar, flavored syrups, or even cocoa, but these additions can spike blood sugar or overstimulate the brain. The strength of the recipe lies in its simplicity, just warm milk and raw honey. This natural balance allows the body to focus on relaxation rather than managing excess sugar or stimulants. Finally, not being consistent weakens the results. Research shows that the body responds best to regular patterns. Drinking milk and honey once in a while may feel soothing, but the deeper improvements in sleep and muscle recovery are seen when it becomes a gentle nightly ritual. Consistency trains the body to associate this drink with rest, making its effects stronger over time. A simple habit like warm milk with raw honey can make a powerful difference in the way the body rests and recovers at night. By avoiding the common mistakes we just covered and preparing it the right way, this natural combination supports deeper sleep, steadier blood sugar, and gentle overnight repair. For seniors, these small details often create the biggest changes in health and energy. If better sleep has felt out of reach, this may be the missing step. Try it with consistency. Give your body time to adjust, and you may notice nights becoming calmer and mornings brighter.